Yo, what's going on, gang? It's your boy Wiz, and I'm back again with another video. So, listen, guys, there is a lot of scams going on right now, and today we're about to expose some of the scams, guys. So, and actually, we're gonna start with this person who's actually impersonating me, using my name, scamming people. So, if you find yourself following this person in this Telegram group, right? You actually need to leave the group, right, and report this person and this YouTube because he's actually scamming people using my name, right? So now let's go here on the YouTube first. Let's start with this. So if you go on the YouTube and you actually type FX Wheezy, for instance, right, you type FX Wheezy and you search FX Wheezy. So as you can see here, there's gonna be this is me, right? This is my real YouTube channel, right? FX Wizy 27.9K subscribers, right? But the first one that's gonna come is gonna be FX Wizy community. This is not me, and it's crazy because this person is actually having 232 subscribers, and I actually check his page, this YouTube channel. He's been posting every video that I make, guys. Like every if I upload a video and they're gonna download the video and I post it, and it's I just like, as you can see, they started this a long time ago, 11 months, right? So I already reported these videos. I reported these videos, so they're gonna be taken down maybe in a week. So this video, they're gonna take them down, and I've been reporting this YouTube. So as you can see, every video that I post, they also post it. So, and they're actually getting views and the comments as well. So that means um they're actually like, you know people, they're actually following them, and it's very sad. And they actually have 39 videos, and all these videos are mine. The video that are, in my other YouTube channel, and the others used to be in my YouTube channel. So this channel is actually created long time ago. So this one is not me. FX Wheezy community. This is not my page, guys. So yeah. So if you actually find yourself following this page, this is not me. You need to quit and report it. This is not me, guys. This is a scam using my name, using everything. So, hey, you know what's crazy now? This person is actually running a Telegram group. If you click here, right, you can see that they actually have a Telegram group. Now let's see their Telegram. See, this is their Telegram, guys. And in their Telegram group, guys, they're actually offering investment. So, and people are actually sending money. So as you can see, this one just sent 14,500 USDT to this person, and I don't know. You know what I mean? So this is not me, guys. I don't do investment. I don't sell calls. I don't sell signals. I don't sell anything. I don't offer anything, and I will never ask someone to send me money. Understand? So everything that I have is free. So this is not me, guys. So as you can see, they're actually using a lot of things, kind of like a scam people. And I'm seeing people like you're kind of sending money to these people, and it's crazy because how can you send like 600 USDT? That's a 600 US dollars. So as you can see, they're actually offering this their investment. Yeah. So if you actually invest 100, you get a 2,500. If you invest 200, you see all this is fake. This is not me, guys. This is a big scam, and I want you guys to pay attention, to go and report this page. The page is FX Wheezy VIP Signal. This is not me at all. So as you can see, people are literally paying these people. People are being scammed, yeah. This is not even me at all, you know. And it's crazy because it seems like this thing has been going on for a while now, and I haven't been paying attention to it. And I never checked, because guys, I was not available on YouTube and on Instagram everywhere. So I was actually in a holiday. Yeah. So, and this thing looks like it's been going on for months. So this is the group, guys. If you find yourself inside this group, let me check how group looks like. This is the group. If you find yourself inside this group, FX with the VIP signals, and it's having 941 subscribers. People in this group are 941. That's a lot of people, you know. And then you know what I don't like is that maybe people are gonna get scammed in this group, and they would think maybe it's me. They actually pay the money to me while I don't do any of this, right? I don't do uh this whatever that they are offering, right? I don't do investment. I don't sell anything. I don't sell calls. Everything for me is free. If you wanna join my VIP group, you just click the link down below and you join. It's 100% free. You don't have to pay anything. So yeah. So these people they literally scamming people, you know. And I'm seeing people like selling
Hi,
fake.
just wanted to say thank you. You have really made my day. I got to invest $500 and got a return of 10,841. I could not be more ecstatic. Thank you so much for getting me out of this hole. Again, a simple $500 investment got me a return of $10,841.
This is fake. This is fake testimony, you know, because they didn't actually mention the name of the person what that she's thinking. So these people are actually doing everything that they're doing to actually try to make people believe their investment things. And you can see people actually sending money out, you know. So heartbreaking, man. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you guys. This is so inhuman. You know, I don't like things like this, but you know, there are always gonna be things like this in this industry. So you actually have to pay attention. At least call someone if you don't actually get the person from the source. Call that person. You know, if you actually wanna do these kind of things, you know, to anyone, just make sure you call that person that you're trying to deal with, so that you know it's exactly the person that you're dealing with, or it's another scammer. Now you can see this guy is actually literally having a YouTube. This is his YouTube right here. You know, and if you go in search FX Wizy, right, you're gonna see him coming. This is him, FX Wizy community. My YouTube is not FX Wizy community. Mine is only FX Wizy, and I'm having 27 subscribers and in 9 videos, 9 videos. These are my videos. So this guy is actually having a lot of videos and he's posting every video that I post. So whenever I drop a video and they're gonna drop, and they probably gonna take this one as well and they drop it. Maybe they are not gonna post it because it's actually um exposing them. But yeah, now you get the message, guys. This person is not me. You know, just go subscribe and unfollow that for that Telegram. So please, guys, please, that's not me. I don't offer, I don't sell signal, I don't sell calls, I don't do investment, right? So I'm just a pure product shooter trying to make it out in this game, you know. So that's the person that I am, you understand? And I actually have a VIP group, but it's 100% free. Click the link down below and join us, right? So no hype, it's just a pure trading, guys. So I love you, and I don't want you guys to be taken advantage of, you know, or to getting scammed. So make sure that you pay attention, yeah. So I'll see you again next video.